Hello guys, this is Vysh. So the Plums episode number 36, January 9, Monday. And Monday, it's a day of history. And every day it's a different subject done by different teachers. So please make sure you are watching all the episodes. We'll be doing this continuously based on your support. So please hit like, comment and subscribe on the channel so that we feel like doing this on a regular basis. Okay. And the lectures also, you have to start with foundation video, which you will get in WhatsApp. Just WhatsApp me, start with the foundation. Then after that, you will know or you will get where the other lectures are. Okay. The subject lectures. So the first question for today, history. World's largest museum on Harappan culture is being set up in. So this is a current affair based question also based on a historical thing. Okay. So it is being set up in Kalibangan, Rajasthan, Desalpur, Gujarat, Rakhigari, Haryana or Daimabad, Maharashtra. So here again I tell you always it's not only about the right answer, you should focus on the wrong answers as well. You should know the place names and their locations and what is each of this site famous for. Okay, like some will be good for copper wealth, some will be maybe some artifacts are there or maybe some scriptures are found. So that is there in your NCERT textbook itself, and based on that 2-3 questions have come in the last few years. So you have to know about every location. Maintain a separate notes for all the Harappan sites, all the Ashokan sites or all the Ashokan edict, rock pillar. There are many things. So you have to have a separate page notes for each of this if you are a serious aspirant. Please don't depend on any coaching notes or handmade notes and all. You have to have your own handwritten notes. All the toppers have had it. Okay, only such people have cleared UPSC. So make your own notes. Don't depend on others. Okay, test series you can join anybody you want or more than one also you can join. But notes should be your own. Okay. So this is the 4 sites, and where is the world's largest museum on Harappan culture being set up? The answer is C. Rakhigari, Haryana. Okay. So the village of Rakhigari was part of the Indus Valley civilization from 2600 to 1900 BC. And here Rakhi Khas and Rakhi Sahapur, 2 villages are there, and there the remains are found. It was excavated for the first time in 1969. Currently it is the largest settlement of the Indus Valley civilization also. And here a lot of skeletons and all these things are there, estimated 7,000 years old. So you should know that it's a old site and it is one of the largest site, not one of the, it is the largest site as of now. Okay, as per the area if you take. And here if you see the world's largest museum is being set up, and here it is famous for jewelry trade and other precious metals like copper. So these are the things which UPSC will pick and ask. Okay, the static part I am telling. And here in the Union Budget 2020, central government announced the development of 5 iconic sites. Rakhigari, Haryana, Hastinapur, Uttar Pradesh, Shivsagar in Assam, Dholavira in Gujarat and Adichanallur in Tamil Nadu. This also as a match the following they can ask. Okay, so please make a note. We are covering more than 11 national newspapers in our current affair test series. So if you are a very serious aspirant, you can enroll to that and learn all these things. Okay. Now second question of history for today. Which city has been named as the first ever SCO tourism and cultural capital during the recently held summit of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Okay, SCO is Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Obviously, you should know many other things also for international relation, IR and GS2 paper mains. But here, now they're telling which city has been named as the first ever tourism and cultural capital. Okay, so here, different cities I'll show you. Shaolin Temple City, China. Nankana Sahib, Pakistan. Varanasi, India. Kulob, Tajikistan. So these are all holy places or very important cultural places you can tell of the SCO cities. Okay, in SCO there are many countries that I'll show you in some other video. So which one is the first ever SCO tourism and cultural capital? So again it's a 2022 news in August. Answer is Varanasi, India. So in the 22nd meeting of Shanghai Cooperation Organization, this councils of head in Samarkand, Uzbekistan, they decided this, or they nominated that Varanasi will be the cultural capital for the period 2022-23. So next year again another place will be there. So like that, it's a good thing that in the India's place is being the first one. And you can read more details here because different summits and different dialogues which happen between these leaders, world leaders, are very important, because in this group there is India also, China also, Pakistan also. Okay, so it's a very, very important group when it comes to international relations. Okay. Question number 3. Which of the following are true about Pingali Venkaiah? Okay, Pingali Venkaiah question was expected last year also. So UPSC did not ask it because of his anniversary we were expecting. So maybe this year they'll ask. Okay. So national flag designed by Pingali Venkaiah was approved by Mahatma Gandhi. The flag had 2 stripes, yellow and green, along with Gandhi Chakra at the center. He was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna. So personalities are always important. So options are 1, 2, 3, 2 only, 1, 3 only, and none of these. So you have to know everything about him and the flag he designed, because that is the first official flag also you can tell. So flags are a very important topic this year because of the various reasons that I'll show you when future questions comes. So here answer will be C, 1 3 only. Okay, because the color, it's not yellow green, it is another red green, and then white also was added. I'll show you that, but the remaining two statements are correct. It was indeed approved by Mahatma Gandhi in 1921 in the Indian Congress meeting at Vijayawada. This also can be a question, because UPSC is asking like from where did Rabindranath Tagore translate this national anthem from one language to another language, or where did they approve the Quit India movement. The location, okay, the very basic location is being asked, so it's an expected question. Okay, so about Pingali Venkaya, all the basic things like where he's born, where he did his education, everything is given here, and he got the Bharat Ratna in 2011. You can make a list of people who got Bharat Ratna also, because the Indians and non-Indians also have got it, so you should know about it. And then okay, the color is green and red along with the Gandhi Chakra, and later white was added. Okay, as per Mahatma Gandhi's suggestion, white was added. So you can see here white, green, red, and then there is a Gandhi Chakra. Okay, so this is the evolution. This is the flag in 1917 as part of Home Rule movement. Then Pingali Venkaya decided this, and in AICSI session in Vijayawada, it was approved. Then it is adopted here July 22, 1947. In your Polity textbook, you can find this. Okay, and this is the Congress flag adopted in 1931. Okay, the order is this one. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and then this 4. Okay, we did, instead of this chakra, Gandhi's chakra, we took the Ashoka's emblem, which we call. Okay, so that also history, polity mix topic it is, so you should know these things. Okay. Now, Ministry of Culture organized Tiranga Utsav on August 2nd to celebrate the contribution of Pingali Venkaya. So again, this year also he is in news, so a question is expected. Okay. Now, MCQ number 4. Which of the following are true about Srimad Raj Chandra ji? Okay, so again a personality is in news. He was a self-realized saint, Buddhist poet, philosopher, mystic reformer. He wrote many philosophical poetries, one being Atma Siddhi. He is well known to provide spiritual guidance to Mahatma Gandhi. So when a person is related to Mahatma Gandhi, obviously you are expected to know about him. Okay, so Srimad Raj Chandra ji is there in news. Okay, a big statue of him is also there. India now, whoever statue is made, all those people are important. So you have to study that. We have statue of unity, statue of equality, and many more are coming. Okay. So here answer is 2, 3 only. Okay, because instead of this Buddhist poet, it will be Jain. Okay, so Jaina and Buddhism terms and people are always interrelated and given, interchanged and given in UPSC question paper. So you have to know. Okay, so here if you see, only that Jain word I have changed. Remaining everything is correct only. Atma Siddhi is poetry and spiritual guidance to Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, honored as Yug Purush, and some basic information is there. Short span of 34 years. So that is the question. Okay, that is the thing about him. Now, MCQ number 5. Which of the following are matched correctly? Rock painting at Chintakunta in Uttar Pradesh. Rock art site Murgi at Ardanag, Telangana. Kaleshwar Mahadev temple at Kalesar, Himachal Pradesh. Okay, some of the terms in history will be difficult to pronounce, so you don't have to worry about it, because these things are not going to be asked to you in interview and all where you have to tell this. This is just for your learning sake, because it would have come in news or in the history textbooks. So you have to know at least the locations, okay, where it is there. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 only, 3 only, 2, 3 only. So here answer is C, 3 only, the last one. Himachal Pradesh, okay, Kalesar. Remaining, this one is in Ladakh, and the other one will be in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so we have here given Uttar Pradesh, this will be Andhra Pradesh, and this will be Ladakh. Okay, so here, according to Union Culture Minister, 20 heritage sites have been identified for national importance tag. Okay, these sites also include 2 ancient mounds at Rakhigarhi in Haryana and age-old Anangtal in Delhi. Okay, so the Rakhigarhi is very important this year. Repeatedly, it's coming in news. So other identified sites include rock painting at this in Andhra Pradesh, and this one at Ladakh or Leh, you can tell, and this in Himachal Pradesh. And then here little more details are given about all these whatever iconic sites they have found. 55 monuments in Assam has been declared protected under this act. Ancient monuments and archaeological sites remain Act 1958. 3 monuments in Mizoram has been identified. Then ASI has given rupees 15 crore for 2022-23 to protect the centrally protected monuments in Tamil Nadu. So across India, all the historical sites and cultural sites are being protected, and this is very good actually, because most of the other countries are already doing it, and it's a tourist spot now, and they are earning lot of money. Okay, economy is growing through tourism, through these sites only. So you have to preserve it and enhance it and show it to the world. Okay. So this is a very good thing which is happening. So again, if you are a very serious aspirant, make sure that you are learning from the right sources. For history, you have to study Spectrum, R.S. Sharma, Satish, Chandra, Nithin, Singhania, and Tamil Nadu textbook. Okay, and then which all NCERTs to read is class 6 to 8 and class 12 for the prelims. For mains, you can read the other class 9, 10, 11 also. Okay, world history, Norman Law is a foreign author, Arjun Dev is an Indian author, both are good. Okay, so whichever is comfortable for you, you can read and learn according to timeline. Okay, practice the names like I told you, the chronology, the culture, the books, the events. Okay, more than wars and battles, you have to know about the people and the timeline and the culture, the books, the paintings, everything, architecture and all. So when you practice more and more of these plums questions, you will understand what exactly to read from each of the topics. So here history, these many 16 tests we have, and that is more than sufficient for you to clear any kind of exam which is there for a UPSC or PSC or whatever you're preparing for. Okay, so you can buy the separate things also, like Spectrum alone we have PDFs, meaning MCQ PDF, okay, where explanations and detailed notes will be there for each of them. Then R.S. Sharma plus Satish Chandra is there, NCERT is there, history mix is there where you get art and culture plus Nithin Singhania. Then you have the total pack, which is the bestseller and which is liked by most aspirants, because one time you get it, this is a lifetime validity soft copy PDF. You can have it and you can keep practicing it for how many ever years or whichever exam you're preparing, and that is why our students always score 100 plus marks every year. So please see to that you are also learning from the right source. So tomorrow the next episode for Plums will come. Thank you and have a nice day.